Can you imagine opening your eyes in the morning, grabbing your phone, and seeing that your bank account has new deposits waiting for you, all while you were peacefully sleeping? That feeling of freedom and calm is something I want you to experience. That's why I'm bringing you 20 business ideas that can make money flow to you, almost like magic. These are real, practical ways to generate passive income. And I'll let you in on a little secret. Number 15 is guaranteed to blow your mind. But before I tell you what these ideas are, remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. 1. Massage chairs in shopping malls. A chair that massages your shoulders and back right in the middle of a mall or airport is an oasis for anyone needing a break. People walk by, see the price sign, let's say $3, pull out their phone or insert a few coins and sit back to relax while the rollers work their magic. You buy them from sites like Alibaba or local manufacturers and place them in strategic spots. Busy mall corridors, bus terminals, train stations, or even gyms. There are no employees to pay. These machines have an automated system that handles payments and notifies you via app if anything goes wrong. Imagine 50 people using them per day in a well-chosen location. Those $3 become $150 daily per chair. Maintenance is simple, and you can hire technicians for a low monthly fee. The initial investment pays for itself in 3 to 6 months if the foot traffic is good, and then it's pure profit with minimal visits. You can start with 1, test the location, and expand if it works. It's a business that gives others relaxation and gives you peace of mind. No stress, no schedules. 2. Renting portable mini theaters. Putting together kits with a projector, screen, and speakers for at-home movie nights is an idea people love. You offer them for $30 a weekend through a website, and people book them online for birthdays, date nights, or gatherings. A logistics company handles delivery and pickup. You don't move a finger. You start with 3 or 4 kits, and if demand rises, you invest in more. You can add extras like popcorn or a list of recommended movies to make each rental more profitable. In cities where going to the movies is expensive, this is a hit, and profits flow without you installing anything or running around. It's movie night at home, courtesy of you from your couch. 3. Urban gardening subscription kits. Sending a little monthly package that brings nature into small homes is an idea that hooks people. You include easy-to-grow seeds like basil, mint, flowers, compact pots, and a simple guide. From your laptop, you choose the products, upload them to an online platform, and a delivery company takes care of the rest. You start with a basic kit priced at $10 or $20, then play with themes like winter herbs, summer flowers, whatever comes to mind. People stick around because it's practical and beautiful, and you only handle the creative side. It's a revenue stream that grows steadily, just like the plants you send, without tying you to daily operations. 4. Selling t-shirt designs on Printful Creating. Something people want to wear is easier than it sounds, and with Printful, you don't have to worry about anything except your creativity. Let's say you come up with a phrase like less drama, more coffee, or a simple drawing with personality. And if design isn't your strength, just hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork. $10 or $20 gets you something unique that screams your style. Then upload it to Printful, a platform that handles everything. When someone places an order, they print the shirt on demand, pack it with care, and ship it directly to the customer without you touching a single box. You set the price, say $25 for a shirt that cost Printful $10, leaving you with $15 in profit per sale. The trick is how you market it. An Instagram reel showing how the shirt looks on, a TikTok post telling the story behind the design, or even a small Facebook ad targeting a specific niche like dog lovers or fitness fans. There's no inventory to stress about, no sizing issues to deal with. Printful has it all ready, so you can just upload your art and let it fly. You can start with 5 designs, see what works, and add more as you go. 5. Renting mobile workstations. Setting up booths with a desk, Wi-Fi, and lighting in parks or malls is a gift for freelancers looking for a quiet corner. Bookings are made through an app with prices around $5 per hour or $15 for the day, and people walk in ready to work without distractions. You buy or rent 5 to 10 booths, each costing between $1,000 and $2,000. Place them in big cities full of freelancers and hire maintenance services for cleaning and regular checkups with a monthly fee. You can add extras like free coffee or USB outlets to boost your income. With just 5 uses per booth each day, profits grow quickly, and you don't have to be there. It's a business that gives people space and pays you while you stay in control from a distance. If you're enjoying these ideas, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 6. Selling business templates. Making other people's lives easier with editable templates is a booming business. Using tools like Canva or Word, you can create an invoice any small business would love to use. Clean, professional, with space for their logo, or a PowerPoint presentation that makes an idea shine in a meeting. Or maybe a monthly calendar with colors that make you want to plan out the whole year. You don't need to be a design genius. With a bit of practice, you can put together something useful and beautiful. Then, upload them to Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, and price them based on how detailed they are. People search for things like editable template or social media calendar, buy them, download them instantly, and tweak them however they like. You can start with a few and grow based on demand. Wedding templates with timelines, content planners for influencers, cafe menus, or even habit trackers for people who want to get organized. Once they're online, you don't have to touch them again. They sell themselves like a silent team working day and night. You can promote them with a Pinterest photo or post in entrepreneur groups and watch the sales roll in with zero extra effort. 7. Recycling machines with rewards. Recycling doesn't have to be a chore. With these machines, it becomes a fun little mission with a prize. They're placed in supermarkets or public squares, accepting bottles and cans in exchange for coupons, digital cents, or loyalty points. People use them, the machine crushes everything, and a recycling company pays you for the materials collected, plus a small usage fee, usually a few cents per container. You install them in high-traffic areas like malls or parks, and they run on their own with basic maintenance that you outsource. Big brands might even sponsor them, adding extra income. It's a business that grows with the eco-boom, bringing you revenue while the planet breathes a little easier. 8. Buying web domains with potential buying domain names that someone else might want later is like digital treasure hunting with patience. You look for words or phrases that could interest businesses or projects, like artisancoffee.com or yogaathome.net, something short and catchy. You buy them for $10 to $15 a year on sites like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and let them sit. The idea isn't to use them yourself, but to wait until a business, entrepreneur, or creative needs them and offers to buy. Sometimes for $100, $500, or even thousands of dollars, depending on their value. You're not building websites or managing servers. You're just reserving the name and parking it with a simple page that says, "For sale, contact me." You can start by investing in 5 or 10 domains and promoting them on marketplaces like Flippa or Sado, or simply wait for an offer. Some people have sold domains like pizza.com for millions, but even modest profits add up over time. It's a game of vision and patience. 9. Rest capsules in airports and stations. Long waits in airports or stations can be exhausting, but with rest capsules, that time turns into a peaceful moment. These are small private pods with a comfy bed, soft lighting, power outlets, and noise-blocking ventilation. A traveler scans a code with their phone, pays for 30 minutes or several hours, between $5 and $30 depending on your local market, enters and rests hassle-free. Everything is automated, from payment to access, so you don't need to be there. The secret is placing them in busy airports, train stations, or bus terminals, negotiating with administrators for a space or a share of the profits. A cleaning company keeps them spotless, and the money flows automatically. With 10 capsules in a location where thousands of people pass by daily and 20 or 30 using them, profits add up fast. It's a business that turns other people's fatigue into your peace of mind. 10. Automated artisan coffee machines. The smell of freshly ground coffee at a university, an office, or a train station is a magnet with these machines. They're not the usual push-button types that pour out sad liquid. These grind the beans fresh, heat the water to the perfect temperature, and serve a strong espresso, a creamy latte, or a foamy cappuccino for $2 or $3. People walk up, scan a code with their phone or use a card, choose their drink, and in under a minute, they walk away with a cup that rivals any coffee shop. You buy them on sites like Alibaba, starting at around $1,000, and place them in caffeine-hungry spots. Office hallways, libraries, hospitals, busy stations. You stop by now and then to refill the beans, water, and disposable cups. Or you hire someone for a flat fee to handle it. If you negotiate a good space deal with a monthly rent or percentage cut, and the foot traffic is steady, the investment pays off in a few months. It's like having a robot barista that never sleeps, bringing in income while the aroma does the rest. 11. Selling digital recipe packs by niche. Creating recipe packs, vegan dinners, desserts, or fitness meals is a business that runs on its own once it's set up. You write them with clear steps and pretty photos. You can cook them yourself or use royalty-free images. Turn them into PDFs and upload them to Gumroad or your own site for $3 to $5. People buy them to eat healthy or impress someone, and every download is pure profit. You make a few packs up front, just a few hours of work, and then add more based on demand, like holiday recipes or meals for kids. You promote them on Pinterest or Instagram with an appetizing photo, and the sales come in without you cooking again. It's a digital cookbook that works for you, earning money with every click. 12. Sneaker cleaning machines. A machine that gets sneakers spotless in minutes is a dream come true for people who treat their kicks like treasure. You can place one in a gym, mall, or college campus. People slide their shoes into a slot, choose between a quick or deep clean, pay via phone or coins, soft brushes, steam, or ultrasound do the job. You buy them from Alibaba or specialty manufacturers starting at around $1,000 per unit and install them where style matters: gyms, clothing stores, campuses. They run on their own. You just empty the dirty water tank and check them weekly or delegate it for a small fee. Sneaker culture isn't slowing down, so you can even get sponsorships from sports brands or place the machines near streetwear events for more traffic. It's a business that taps into a modern obsession: cleaning soles and filling your pockets without you doing the scrubbing. 13. Renting drones for events. Offering drones with cameras to film events from the air is a business that takes off easily. You keep them ready, rent them out for $50 through a website or app, and people use them for weddings or parties. They pay a refundable deposit, pick them up or receive them by a courier, and return them after capturing their moments. You don't operate or edit anything, you just check that they come back in good shape and refund the deposit minus your profit. You start with 2 or 3 drones, which cost between $500 and $1,000 each depending on their features. And in event-heavy areas like big cities or tourist destinations, the requests come in non-stop. You can add extras like basic video tutorials or optional insurance for $10 extra, boosting your income. It's technology at the service of memories, and you earn from home without breaking a sweat. 14. Subscription-based guided meditations. Recording audios that soothe the soul or help people sleep is a business that brings peace and profit. You write simple scripts, those that start with "feel the breeze on a beach," and either use your own voice or hire someone on Fiverr for $20. You upload them to a platform like Patreon or your own website, offering a membership for a few dollars a month to access them all. People use them to relax, sleep, or focus. You record 10 or 20 at the start, and then you're done. The payments keep coming. You can add new topics like meditations for anxiety or creativity every couple of months to keep it fresh. Promote them on social media with a short audio clip, and people searching for calm will get hooked. It's a peaceful business that grows with time, helping others while you go at your own pace. Now it's time to discover the idea that can help you generate passive income. Moderate, but steady. But before I tell you what it is, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. 15. Investing in crowdlending. Putting your money to work like a loyal employee is what makes crowdlending so interesting. On platforms like Mintos, funding societies, or Bondora, you lend money to businesses that need a boost, or to people with solid projects like renovating their home. You can start small, from $100, and choose your risk level. Safe loans with 5 to 7% annual interest, or bolder ones with 10 to 15%, depending on the platform and the borrower's profile. They repay you little by little with monthly interest, and you track everything in a clear dashboard. How much you've lent, how much you've earned, what's left to collect. You don't have to negotiate or chase payments. The platform manages it, collects for you, and deposits your earnings into your account. You can invest in multiple loans at once to diversify, and if you like how it's going, reinvest your interest to grow even faster. Some people start with $500 and end the year with $600, without doing anything but watching their balance. It's like being a banker from home. No suits, no meetings, just watching your savings grow while you go about your day. If you're interested, look into the interest rates and reviews for each platform to find the one you trust most, and start slow. 16. Solar-powered phone charging stations. Installing stations that charge phones using solar power in parks or plazas, solves a daily problem. People pay a few cents for 30 minutes, plug in their cable, and that's it. You can buy them for a few $100s each and place them in outdoor high-traffic areas, beaches, urban parks, and the sun does the work for free. You only need to check on them weekly or hire someone to do it for a small fee. On a sunny day, with several people charging, the income adds up effortlessly. You can even add an eye-catching design or sell local ad space on the machines for extra revenue. It's simple, useful, and lets you earn while people stay connected. 17. Renting air purifiers. Offering purifiers through a monthly subscription is the perfect solution for people who want clean air without spending a fortune. You buy high-quality units and rent them out for $20 or $30 a month via Instagram, then ship them to your customers. They use them at home or in offices, especially in polluted cities or during allergy seasons, and return them when they're done. A logistics company handles everything, and you just watch the payments roll in. You start with a few units, and if demand grows, you add more or offer longer-term plans with discounts. You can include an extra filter for $5 or an annual subscription option to increase customer loyalty. It's a business that protects health and your income without tying you down. 18. Subscription-based educational games for kids. Creating digital games that teach children while they have fun is an idea that combines the useful with the delightful. You develop math puzzles, letter adventures, or interactive storybooks using tools like Unity. You upload them to a platform and offer a membership for $3 to $5 a month to parents, and the little ones play on a tablet. You create 10 games to start, or hire someone to do them, and then add one every month or two to keep it fresh, like science or English games. Promote them in parenting groups or on social media with a short video, and the payments come in on their own. It's a business that educates, entertains, and gives you freedom. 19. Selling custom interactive maps. Creating digital maps for travelers or foodies like 5 days at the beach or where to eat tacos is a business that lives online. You make them with Google Maps or Canva, add tips, photos, and routes, and sell them for $5 on your website. People buy them to plan trips or explore their own city, and every sale is pure profit. You create 5 or 10 to start. Each one takes a few hours and then expand based on demand. Bike route maps, hidden cafes, and more. Promote them on social media or travel blogs with a preview, and the downloads come in effortlessly. You can offer personalized versions for an extra $10 or sell themed bundles. It's a digital treasure that guides others and pays you without effort. 20. Personalized ice cream machines. Setting up a machine where people build their perfect ice cream is like bringing a little bit of happiness anywhere. It's located in a plaza, movie theater, or near a school, with a touchscreen where customers choose their favorite flavor and then add toppings: rainbow sprinkles, caramel sauce, cookie crumbles. They pay using their phone or card, and in under a minute, the machine mixes and serves a fresh ice cream in a cup or cone. You buy or lease it. Brands like Carpigiani or Taylor make them, starting at around $5,000, and install it in a lively area. Your job is to occasionally refill the liquid ice cream mix, which you buy in bulk. Restock the topping containers and give it a quick clean to keep it shining. You don't need employees running around. The machine is the star, working all on its own. Each ice cream costs you less than $1 in ingredients, so with a few daily sales, profits rise fast. You can negotiate a fixed rent or a percentage with the location owner, and if it's a good spot, the investment pays off in just a few months. These 20 ideas could be one of the paths to your financial freedom. Just remember that caution and research are the most important steps before investing. Before I go, tell me, which of these ideas do you think is the most profitable? Leave it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.